Go ahead and open up splitbutton.html from your working files directory. In this lesson, we'll be talking about split button lists. Now you can create split button lists a number of different ways. One way to create split buttons is to use button groups. Now we cover that in the buttons unit in this training. I want to show you a different way of creating split buttons. And this way is actually a lot easier. Now it's honestly as simple as putting a second anchor tag inside of a list element. So for example, here we have my profile, my friends, my photos. We can go ahead and say my profile, but also add another one. I'm going to create a dummy link here. And this other one is going to be edit profile. Now, edit profile, the text, is not going to actually show. Instead, it'll show as a little icon here. You'll notice also it's highlighted in a different way. Now let's say I want that to be a gear icon instead. I can do that very simply by saying ul data role equals list view, just like we're used to, data split icon equals gear. And that turns that into a gear. Now you can do all kinds of other fun things. For example, you could change the data transition to make the edit button slide down or slide in from a side or something like that. And that would look like this. Data transition equals slide down. Now when we click on this, it would actually slide down. Now in my case, I'm using a dummy link so it doesn't actually have a page to go to. That's why there's no transition happening. Now if I wanted to go a little further with this, I could add in another anchor tag for all of these. And now I have my profile, my friends, my photos, and I also have edit buttons for all three of these. Now notice when I hover over this, it says edit photos as the alt text. This means it's fantastic for accessibility, for example, for screen readers, and also it's fantastic for SEO. When search engines come and crawl your page, they'll know what those buttons do. So there we have it, split button lists in JQuery Mobile.